guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best climbing skins for skis that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the pomoca Climb Pro S Glide. For the optimal balance of grip, glide, durability, and packability, the Pomoca Climb Pro S Glide stands out as our top pick for an all-around climbing skin. The plush on these skins is a blend of 70% mohair for optimal glide and 30% nylon for added durability and grip. In just about all conditions encountered on a typical ski tour, these skins perform at the top of the pack and have a solid construction that will last multiple seasons with consistent use. Most quality skins will see about 100 days of touring before significant wear is seen. The Climb Pro S Glide skins glide smooth and easy while remaining plenty grippy even on steeper, more hard-packed slopes. They pack down to a size that is right about in the middle of the road. They're not the lightest or smallest, but they're far from the bulkiest or heaviest. We were easily able to stash both skins in one jacket skin pocket on backcountry tours without hassle. Moving on, at number 4, we have the G3 ALPINIST Plus Universal. If you're skinning in particularly wet or icy conditions, or looking for the added durability that an all-nylon skin offers, then the G3 ALPINIST Plus Universal is a great option. This skin is made with a full nylon plush, which means you get an exceptional grip and increased durability as compared to mohair mix or all mohair skins. In general, we find that a mohair mix skin, like the Pomoca Climb Pro S Glide, reviewed above, is an ideal option for most ski tourers. The nylon plush of the G3 ALPINIST Plus Universal comes with extra weight and some compromised glide. But compared to other full nylon skins, like the Black Diamond Ascension, reviewed below, the G3 ALPINIST Plus Universal saves weight and glides better. The ALPINIST Plus Universal skins pack down on the slightly larger end of the spectrum, bulkier than the Pomoca skins in our review, but smaller than many other all-nylon skins. While this will differ depending on your ski size, these skins average just under 1.2 pounds per pair. This is only about 2 ounces more than the Pomoca Climb Pro S Glide, which is impressive for a full nylon skin. Other full nylon skins, like the Black Diamond Ascension in our honorable mentions, weigh at least 5 ounces more than these G3s. At number 3, we have the pomoca Climb Pro Mohair. If you're a climber whose priority is moving light and fast in the backcountry, then you'll want to look at an all-mohair skin like the Pomoca Climb Pro Mohair to get the job done. Weighing 1 pound per pair, these skins are similar in weight to the Pomoca Climb Pro S Glide and lighter than the winner for grip, the G3 ALPINIST Plus Universal, and the budget winner, the Black Diamond GLIDELITE mix. However, the Pomoca Climb Pro Mohair glides better than all three thanks to the full mohair construction. At number 2, we have the Black Diamond GLIDELITE Mix STS. The Black Diamond GLIDELITE Mix STS are mohair mix skins. They have been a crowd favorite among backcountry skiers for years now, and for good reason. They strike a nice balance between grip, good glide, and packability while coming in at a reasonable price point. Made of 65% mohair and 35% nylon, the GLIDELITE Mix STS skins are comparable in construction to the Pomoca Climb Pro S Glide skins, reviewed above, which are also a mohair mix. The Pomoca skins outperform the GLIDELITE Mix skins with a better glide at a lower weight, but the Black Diamond skins are easier on the wallet. And finally, at number 1, we have the Black Diamond Ascension. The Black Diamond Ascension skins are our runner-up to the G3 ALPINIST Plus Universal, full review above. Both are full nylon skins, and while the Ascension is still a good skin option, the ALPINIST Plus Universal gets our nod for their impressively low weight and decent glide for nylon skins. The Ascension skins are rather bulky, the most cumbersome of all the options in this review, and don't glide as well as models with mohair, but, like the ALPINIST Plus Universal, They grip exceptionally well and have excellent durability.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.